In this COVID-19 conditions, we now have a new normal. Keeping in line with our commitment towards guests, we are changing our standards a bit. So kindly watch, understand, and implement. Wear mask covering mouth and nose, and do not forget to wear gloves always. This uniform is for the sanitizer staff, which is a new position, and this person should wear a face shield. The job description of the sanitizer staff will be given separately in writing. Sanitizer tent card and tissue holder with tissues are the only things that will be set up on the table. Tissue availability on table is a must for COVID-19 operation standard. Pre-rinse, stack and wash the CCNG in dishwasher at 80 degrees centigrade. Take them out. Wipe them neatly without touching directly and shift them to closed, clean and sanitized plastic boxes, from where you can later take them to side stations and workstations. Do not touch anything with bare hands and pack a tissue and the required cutlery into bags and seal them as shown. Make sure when packing cutlery you customize the sets based on need to save cost and improve convenience. Every condiment should be in sachets, and if they are not available in sachets, then they should be packed into 1 ounce or 2 ounce disposable cups. Condiments can only be served like this. All disposables like straws, toothpicks, wooden chopsticks, disposable cutlery, etc. should be served packed and never served naked. Very regularly in between your work, possibly every 30 minutes, please go and get your hands washed or sanitized. When washing hands, take 20 seconds minimum and wash between fingers, around nails and wrists using hand soap. Do the same when sanitizing hands too if you are busy and sanitizer gel is close by. Name, mobile number, number of guests in the group, number of kids in the group, and time of arrival should be taken down neatly. Remember, only one private event booking for maximum 20 guests can be taken at a given time of day. But they have to sit in groups of 5 on different tables, and full guest information needs to be taken through the given guest information format. Walk-in guest can be accommodated if tables are available. Note that if the guest arriving can't be seated, then they should be politely requested to sit in their car till they are called. Maintain a good waiting list for such guests. No guest should be seen crowding at the entrance and standing around. Guest information taken should be preserved for 30 days minimum. Only 5 guests per table is allowed, including kids. If there are more guests, they can be seated on another table. The COVID-19 screening desk should always be manned. The guests who are not wearing masks properly should be asked politely to cover nose and mouth, and then they should be asked to sanitize their hands. Guests who do not comply should be refused service at the restaurant in a nice way. Request guest by saying, "Let me take your temperature please." Every guest's temperature has to be checked, and anyone who has 37.5 degrees or above temperature should be politely requested to leave the premises, and his or her name and mobile number should be reported to government by dialing 444. Guest or staff having COVID-19 symptoms shouldn't be in the restaurant strictly. One guest from a group should be asked to scan the QR code on the COVID-19 screening desk or the table and enter all the asked details through their mobile. The guest should be asked before order taking if they are registered. If not, then guide them through. Tables have to be set 2 meters apart and marked with sanitizer tent card and contact tracing QR code stickers. If there are tables that are less than 2 meters apart, then they have to be marked with closed tent card and red spot stickers. Waiters should try and maintain 1 meter distance from the closest guest always. This effort to maintain 1 meter distance should be visible to people watching. Waiters should request guests to scan the QR code which is on the tent card sitting on the table so that they can get the menu on their mobile. At the guest table or otherwise, all staff serving guests will maintain a 1 meter distance from the nearest guest. This effort to maintain distance should be very much visible as seen here. If you need to request guests to pass the food to other guests, you can. If you want to ask guests to pass a dirty plate or tissue to you, you can. But you really don't have to make too many visits to the table. Pre-buzz is not very important. Limit visits to table. Staff, when they see guests not maintaining safe 1 meter distance from one another, when lining up at cash, waiting for takeout food, and when moving around the restaurant, staff should request guests to maintain safe distance very politely by saying, "Safe distance please." Sanitizer bottles and trash receptacles should be placed at the entrance of the restaurant, toilets, cashier, and at entrances to a section. The sanitizer poster should be placed visibly next to the sanitizer bottle such that guests can see it clearly. The trash receptacles are to discard dry waste and should be cleared regularly so that overfilling is not noticed. First, the table needs to be cleared of all CCNG by waiter. Then the table should be wiped down with water spray and blue Kimtex cloth. Dry the table, broom the floor clean, leave a closed tent card on table till the sanitizer staff comes and sanitizes the table. Sanitizer staff then sprays yellow sanitizer on all human contact surfaces mainly and wipes it with green Kimtex cloth to form a layer. Place the sanitized tent card once this is done. Sanitizer staff should go around and sanitize all door handles, toilet sprays, tap knobs, push buttons, handrails, counter edges, etc. that are frequently touched by staff and guests. Very regularly clean your station by spraying the station with water and wiping with kitchen cloth, and then spraying pink sanitizer solution and wiping with green Kimtex cloth to form a layer.